What if the most dangerous fighter jet on Earth isn't the fastest, isn't the loudest, but the one you never see coming? Meet the F-47, a next-generation stealth fighter designed for a world where air combat is no longer about close dogfights, but about information, control, and total dominance. This aircraft wasn't built to impress crowds. It was built to win wars. For decades, fighter jets ruled the sky with speed and firepower. But times changed. Radar became smarter, missiles became faster, and the sky became far more dangerous than ever before. Advanced air defense systems began closing the gap. Rival nations invested heavily in stealth fighters, hypersonic weapons, and AL-driven warfare. The US Air Force realized one thing: air superiority could no longer be guaranteed with old ideas. The F-47 wasn't designed as just another fighter. It was designed as a system, a flying command center, a jet that sees everything, shares everything, and strikes with precision. While much of the F-47 program remains classified, its emergence signals a shift toward 6th-generation air combat concepts. This jet represents the future roadmap of American air dominance. The shape of the F-47 isn't about looks. Every edge, curve, and surface is designed to reduce detection. Internal weapon bays hide its firepower. Smooth contours confuse enemy radar. Stealth on the F-47 isn't just about being invisible. It's about being misunderstood. Enemy systems may detect something, but they won't know what it is, where it is, or how dangerous it really is. The F-47 is built to operate far from home bases, long range, high endurance. This jet can stay in contested airspace longer than most fighters, waiting for the perfect moment. Here's where things get really serious. The F-47 uses advanced artificial intelligence to process battlefield data in real time. The jet doesn't just fly, it thinks. Radar, infrared, electronic signals, satellites, all fused into one picture. The pilot sees the battlefield as a whole, not fragments. This gives the F-47 an almost unfair advantage. One of the most powerful features of the F-47 is its ability to command drones. These loyal wingmen scout ahead, jam enemy systems, and even strike targets, while the jet stays safe. The F-47 isn't about overwhelming firepower, it's about precision. Every weapon is selected, tracked, and deployed at exactly the right moment. Fun fact: modern stealth fighters like the F-47 are designed to win battles without firing a single shot. Sometimes, the enemy retreats simply because they know the jet is there. The F-47 changes how wars are fought. Less chaos, more control. Air dominance becomes about intelligence, not brute force. The F-47 isn't meant to scare civilians, it's meant to deter enemies, because the most powerful weapon is the one you never have to use. If you want to understand the future of air warfare, hit subscribe and stay with JetForce News, because the next battle for the sky has already begun.